feeling this wonderful morning, Vera?
Oh, I'm doing wonderful today. It's nice and freezing. It's 7:50 in the morning. We're riding in a van. It's a lovely day.
Hello, welcome to Quadrant.
My name is Denny Warner. Thomas McDonough.
My name is David Langle.
And my name's Andrew Rao.
The company was founded by a gentleman that learned how to figure out how to cast nylon in his garage in Reading. That's where it started.
Quadrant manufactures product in 21 different countries where we have manufacturing facilities or sales offices. We manufacture tube, rod, and plate, and we do that in 3 various methods, and that is our extrusion plastics, and we compression mold plastic, and we also cast plastic here at this Reading facility.
We have maintenance, we have the operators, we have the setup operators, we have sales. There's all kinds of jobs here.
My job here is, at the present time, I'm a quality control lab technician. Well, you have office, manufacturing, test lab, maintenance. There's some are very skilled jobs. Higher end education's possibly being required. Some general education. You need to be able to function. You need to be able to be trained. You need to be able to be flexible. Quality. Straight up. Quality. We are the industry leader.
All right, that's a wrap. We got it.